to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial full hydraulic Panbrake folder. This particular model is a 4mm by 4mm, so it'll be 4mm mild steel or 2mm stainless steel, full hydraulic, heavy duty build quality, all steel construction, as you can imagine there, and built for industry. The 4mm machines have become quite popular the last several years because of commercial catering. They need at least 3.7, but this is a 4mm machine. Architectural cladding, skirtings, and that type of industry. So we generally stock a 4mm Panbrake on the floor, as well as a 3.2 and a 2.5. But the 4mm which we're overviewing here runs through the simple operation. So you can set it on manual operation, so manual or automatic. So we're going to run through the manual mode first of all. With the manual mode, you've got full control via the foot pedal or the console control. So we go release and plant. So it's very simple, and we can go up and down. So all that's via the manual setting. To also set the angle, this is our standard machine. We offer this particular machine and all our Panbrakes in 3 models. There's a standard, which is this one here, so we simply set the angle via the controller, this angle setting here. We have an NC one that is programmable on folding, and an NC2 that does folding and also ball screw back gate. So this is the standard machine. So we're going to run that to automatic now, to auto mode. So it's clamped, we'll just clamp it again, and we'll hit the automatic fold, and she'll come up by itself. So as you can see, nice and smooth in operation, easy to use, and that's going up to 90 degrees. See the heavy duty steel beam there? Solid steel. We over-design our Panbrakes. They're originally an Australian-made design, but they're heavy duty, so we don't compromise our quality. So that's how simple and easy it is to use. Now come over here, run through the features. Now the blades, as you can see here, are hardened and ground. They're all rated, so hardened and ground finishing. They're solid stems. They've also got a 100mm front angle blade that can be taken off, and of course this little bar here is your hardened edge there when you're doing sort of tighter folds. Around the side of the machine here, we've got front safety guards for OH&S, of course, and around the side here, the back, as you can see, everything's nice and finished. It's running, but it's got low noise hydraulics, so it's really very quiet, very easy to use. Now, one of the features on our Panbrakes here, we've got a manual back gauge. So simply loosen that off, and you can sort of wind the back gauge in and out to whichever position you need. That's out to about, and that's all calibrated. You've then also got different sort of fingers. So if you're pack bending or just sheet bending, simply set your back gauge to this position here, and away you go. So hydraulics all nicely fitted off. As you can see, low noise, it's running away. All the machines get pre-commissioned prior to dispatch. So here's our 4mm full hydraulic Panbrake. So jump on assetplant.com.au or call us, and we'll be pleased to help you. Thanks and have a great day.